Howdy folks, my name is MLucero here at BISH'S RV in Meridian, Idaho. Behind me is a 2022 Sandstorm T265 GSLR. We're going to take a look inside. Follow me. All right folks, first off we're going to take a look at the master suite. Follow me right in here. So you notice we've got an east to west king bed configuration set up right here with great wardrobe space in the nose cap. This mirror does swing down, it's hanging on a pendulum, swings down, disconnects for when you're parked. And then when you're ready to hit the road, just push it back up again. You got great wardrobe space right here with a clothes rack. Nice big king bed, but is it swimmable? I'm swimming. All right, folks, now we're in the bathroom. Notice a big, nice, open bathroom. I mean, not quite a residential, but still real good and big. I've got this nice shower curtain. It's fully enclosed, keeps the water where it belongs in the shower without all that drip and mess outside. Everything's centralized in the bathroom, right? You've got a medicine cabinet, sink, and a porcelain toilet right here. Jack and Jill set up, one entry leading into the main living, one entry leading into your master suite. Follow this way, into your main living. All right, folks, just take this in for a second. Sandstorm, I think, really knocked it out of the park with the aesthetic going on in here. You've got stainless steel accents, right, for all of your appliances. The big Dometic oven. I mean, you've got multiple racks in this oven. You can cook a lot of things in here. Great volume there. Tri-burner stove top. Nice big residential microwave, folks. I love it. I love it. The refrigerator, not quite a residential, but it is a double door, 12 cubic foot refrigerator. Lots of volume in here. For those extended stays. Now when it comes to the cabinetry work, no OSB, no particle board. This is all lumber core, really solid stuff. And tons of storage. Check this out, right here in kind of like separating your bedroom from the bathroom, you've got more storage here, more storage up top, storage throughout the kitchen for all your pots and pans, your plates, your water bottles, whatever you need. Now on these GSLRs, you've got these nice solid surface countertops with this really sharp looking LED strip integrated into your countertop. I'm a huge fan. Residential faucet pull down. You got these nice countertop covers for your sink. It is a farmhouse style sink, so single basin sink, really big and open for all your big pots and pans, easy to do your dishes. You got plenty of capacity there. Check out the fog glass, this ribbed fog glass that they put on your cabinetry. Just more accents like that do really just take it over the top. I love it. Coming out here towards the rear, you've got your primary seating area. Now what I love what Forest River did here is they set you up with this configuration so you can easily remove one table and have ease of access to your ramp. Come out here, check it out on the ramp. This is Party Central right here. We got our party deck going here. This comes standard on all of our GSLRs, as well as like the screen door here that comes down. So you've got, you know, that extra screening. That way you're not getting dirt and grime on the inside on a windy day, but you can still come out and enjoy the outside. This is gonna support 1,800 pounds in our patio position, 3,000 in our ramp position. Overhead, you've got a queen bunk on a Happy Jack system, fully mechanized, motorized, right? Brings it up and down, super easy, super convenient. Again, main living. Oh, also folks, look at the cargo space here. From where your garage door starts all the way here to this cabinetry work, you've got 16 feet of cargo space. So you can fit a lot of toys in here, folks. A lot of toys and a lot of people. Each one of these D-ring straps is rated at 1,200 pounds, bolted directly into the steel frame. Okay, so they're not pulling out. Let's check out the outside. All right, folks, take a look at the outside. Really sleek design, really sharp finish. I'm a huge fan. Sandstorm, they really knocked it out of the park. Right here, we've got a really nice big cargo space for more storage with a 1,500 watt inverter. Okay, right on, yeah. Also notice down below, you've got Quick Connect LP for your outdoor cooking should you want to connect a Camp Chef and get your fish fry on. Nice big 18-foot awning, extends over roughly 70% of your door side. Maximum shade coverage, Party Central out here, LED light strip, outdoor entertainment with overhead speakers. You got residential power, TV hookup mount, aluminum wheels on this guy, really sharp design. All right, come around here to our party deck, looking really sharp out Also, folks, on the roof, you got 260 watts of solar, and that is a fully walkable roof. You've got your ladder on this side. Over here, we've also got our auxiliary gas tank. It's a 40-gallon auxiliary tank. You got the fuel pump built in. They've got a really awesome function here when you power this on and you're fueling things. When you kick it off, there's a function that sucks all that gasoline out of your lines, right, so that you're reserving gas. Wet me out here with a outdoor shower. It's a 10-gallon water heater. A little bit more storage here underneath our bedroom slide. You can see in there. Yeah, great storage capacity. And then check this puppy out. This is a 4,500 watt generator with the inverter technology, all right? So that's going to be easier on your more delicate electronics, your cell phones, your tablets, your iPhones, what have you. Now to finish it off, right here at the nose cap, the molded fiberglass nose cap, super sharp with your LED accent lighting, and that pretty much wraps it up, folks, for our 2022 T265 Sandstorm by Forest River. Again, I'm Mason. If you like this video, like and subscribe. We'll see you again.